Hi, so this is Phone Tech Kid, and as I said before, I'm reviewing this Acer tablet. And I found out one of the coolest features of this, and that's that it has this HDMI cable. So as you can see, it goes all the way down and connects to the TV. So if we have a close-up of both devices, if you look, they're both moving at the same time. And the videos also look great on this. So let's go down to the YouTube. Let's see, what's a good one? Let's click on this, for example. Zoom in. And as you can see, it's on both devices. It looks like that, so you could tell it's working. And this video will start maybe someday. So, but you get the point. The videos work, and it just really look nice. Let's make that bigger.
Oi, gente, tudo bem? Começou a transmissão ao vivo.
Too bad I don't understand Spanish. But that's Phone Tech Kid, and that's just one of the cool features of this new Acer tablet that I'm testing out. Thanks for watching.